The luxury motorhome of 2026 slide-outs create spacious interiors when parked, blending practicality with elegance. Signature lighting. Ambient LED strips give the motorhome a glowing presence at night, echoing luxury marine design. Power and technology. Intelligent mobility. The 2026 motorhome is fully electric, powered by an advanced battery platform offering up to 700 miles of range. For longer journeys, a hydrogen fuel cell backup provides additional charging capability. A smart energy grid balances solar power, battery use, and onboard demand, ensuring efficient off-grid living. Control is handled through an AI-powered system that predicts needs, suggests routes, and even finds ideal campsites for solar exposure. Driving is effortless with autonomous assistance. An augmented reality windshield projects navigation, weather, and safety alerts directly into the driver's view, while adaptive cruise and self-parking features reduce stress on long journeys. Interior. Modern elegance. Stepping inside feels like entering a private retreat. The design combines Scandinavian warmth with Japanese simplicity, blending wood tones, soft fabrics, and natural light. Living area. Modular seating upholstered in eco-friendly vegan leather, easily converting from lounge to guest beds. Hidden storage maintains a clean, uncluttered look. Kitchen. A luxury compact galley with induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, retractable counters, and a built-in espresso machine. Surfaces crafted from lightweight marble composites add a premium touch. Bathroom. A spa-inspired space with rainfall shower, water recycling technology, heated flooring, and touchless fixtures. A composting toilet ensures sustainability. Bedroom. A master suite with a king-size smart bed, Starlight view skylight, and panoramic windows. Soundproofing ensures total relaxation wherever you park. Entertainment and work. A retractable OLED projector and fold-out workstation support both leisure and productivity. High-speed satellite internet keeps travelers connected globally. Smart home on wheels. Every function is integrated into a smart ecosystem. Voice and gesture controls adjust lighting, climate, and appliances, while the system learns personal routines. Dimming lights automatically at night, preheating showers, or adjusting temperatures. A wellness system monitors air quality, sleep patterns, and hydration reminders, ensuring not just comfort, but also health on the move. Outdoor living, expanding horizons. Luxury extends beyond the interior. A fold-out balcony deck with lounge seating creates the perfect outdoor retreat. Retractable awnings with solar fabrics expand shade while boosting energy capture. At the rear, a versatile garage stores e-bikes, adventure gear, or even a drone for capturing aerial views. Sustainability and materials. Every surface is chosen with care. Bamboo paneling, recycled composites, organic fabrics, and sustainable leathers prove that luxury and responsibility can coexist. Water-saving systems reduce consumption by 70%, and modular batteries can be recycled or upgraded over time. Conclusion. A new era of freedom. The 2026 luxury motorhome is more than a vehicle. It is freedom refined. It offers the elegance of a luxury residence, the intelligence of a smart home, and the sustainability of next-generation engineering. For travelers, families, or digital nomads, it is a statement that you can explore the world without sacrificing comfort, beauty, or responsibility. This is not just the future of motorhomes. This is the future of luxury travel.